Hello besties! Today we're doing a side swept look with a lot of volume and some retro curls at the front. But first, dance break! Sorry, I watch K-pop playlists while I film these and sometimes you just have to dance. Okay, starting with pre-curled hair, use your teasing comb to take a section and tease it at the roots. Then give it a blast of hairspray. After another little dance break, take a section of hair from the other side. Hairspray. Then tease that one at the root and flip it over to the other side. Repeat this until you think it looks good. I flipped over 3 sections. Now tease back your fringe and push that over to the side until it looks like you've been in some kind of storm. Very lightly brush the top to smooth over the teasing. Now leave that side and we'll come back to it later. Take the remaining section of hair on the other side, pull it backwards and pin in place with your favorite accessory. The bigger the better because this look is kind of vintagey. Now back to the other side again. Very lightly brush your hair so it's smooth but doesn't kill the volume or the tease. Now shape the bottom of your fringe into a bit of a wave and hairspray it in place. At the end of the wave, I'm adding a little curl with my finger and then some hairspray. To accent this wave even further, I'm going to add a second curl just behind it, facing the other way. You can add as many curls as you want, in as many sizes as you want, just hairspray the bejeebus out of them. And don't forget to use heat protector. So here's my second curl, ta-da! I like how over the top this looks, but obviously you can tone it down a bit if that's more your style. Having all of these curls makes the side swept look much more obvious as well as more fabulous. Now separate your other curls while you spray to finish everything off, and you're done! Very cute and a little bit saucy. This hairstyle looks great from any angle and you can dance while you do it. Please like, comment, favorite, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!